Hey, it's Mr. Jordan, your virtual math teacher, and I'm going to be talking about how to plot the points on the Father Christmas graph. So there's the instruction sheet, and you could really start anywhere with any of these sections. I'll just start with the one up here in the corner. So when you plot these points, you're going to plot each point, and then as you go down the list, you're going to check off that you've done it, and you're going to connect that point to the last point. So, and when it says stop, then you stop connecting. You don't connect it back to the first point. You just stop and then you go on to another section. Theoretically, you could do the sections any way you want. You could do that section and then you could come over here and do that section. Then you could do this section. It really doesn't matter as long as you do each little section on its own and you don't connect any of the sections together. And when you get done, there'll be a nice picture you can color and things like that. So let me move the other graph over here and we'll start. Let's start with 2625. So when we do 2625, the first number, of course, is x, and the second number is y. So 26, you have to come down here on the bottom, and you have to find 26. There's 26. So that tells you that somewhere on that 26 line is the point, and it's at 25. So we come over here to 25. It's right there. So you don't want to draw these lines on your paper, but where those 2 points, those 2 lines meet, that's where our first point goes. So there's our first point. So we check that point off, or put an X there. So we go to 2434. So there's 24, we come up here and we have to go to 34. There's 2434. Then you check that off, and then you connect those two. Now I would use a ruler if I were you, but I was going to draw by hand. 1838. 1838, way up here. And then you connect those again. Check it off over here. 733. 733. Check it off. 425. Check it off. Connect it. Of course, you want to use a pencil, do not use a pen. 724. Oops, that wasn't very straight. 928. And 1433. So there's our first section, and you stop. You don't connect the next one. So when you start at 618, if you're going to do the next group here, if you start at 618, be right here. And then you go to 419. So those are not connected. Eventually, something will connect to that, and you'll start seeing your Father Christmas picture. But that's basically how you do it. So you mark off each point as you do it, and then you stop, and then you start up again, and you use a pencil. And I hope you have a great Christmas break and relax, and hope Santa brings you lots of stuff. Thank you.